Namaskar, welcome to Pebbles and welcome to my show Dear Zindagi. So friends, today our topic is the rumors spread by some people about banning the cryptocurrency in India. On the 7th of the March, the Indian government put cryptocurrency or the virtual digital assets under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act PMLA. And by posting the part of the news and spreading the rumors all over the India that cryptocurrency is banned. It is not the case at all. Let us discuss this topic in detail in my video. And of course, if you are not subscribed this channel yet, please do subscribe and also like my video. So first, my disclaimer. Hello, welcome again. Now I will show you one of the posts posted on my Telegram group by one of my students. Let us see the post first. Now you can see the post posted on my Telegram group. This is by the Gazette of India, by Ministry of Finance, notification, and a total law or the total Prevention of Money Control Act was not posted here. Only the halfway information posted, and this made a very bad effect on the people. Let us read this first and understand what it is. Okay. Now they are given some sections of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, etc. After that, they say that the central government hereby notifies that the following activities, that these 5 activities, when carried out for or on behalf of another natural or legal person in the course of business as an activity for the purpose of said purpose, all this, namely, number 1, exchange between VDA. Now VDA is a virtual digital asset, and fiat currency means our legal currency, that is the, in case of India, this is INR, that is the Indian rupees. So they say that the exchange between these two, that means you cannot buy or sell. You cannot give rupees, Indian rupees, and buy cryptocurrency, or sell cryptocurrency and get the Indian rupees. Okay, this is what it says. Number 2, the exchange between one or more form of virtual digital assets, VDA. That means if I am doing the future trading in some other pair than the USDT, like a Bitcoin or the Ethereum, that comes under section 2 or the point 2. The third is the transfer of VDA. Now here the VDA can be, let me tell you, it can be the cryptocurrency or the NFT itself. Or I think, according to me, even the e-rupee by the government of India, that is the CBDC, Central Bank Digital Currency, that is also kind of a virtual currency. So I think that also comes under this category. So the transfer of virtual digital asset is the point number 3. That means if I am transferring you from Binance to let's say WazirX, or WazirX to Binance, or maybe the wallet to wallet, like a trust wallet to trust wallet, something like that. The 4th point is the safekeeping or administration of VDA or instrument enabling control over the VDA. That means safekeeping means your software wallet, your hardware wallet, or your custodian wallets. Software hardware wallet, you know, custodian wallet is the wallet on the exchanges. Okay. And there we keep our cryptocurrency safe. So this point number 4 speaks about that. Point number 5 says that the participation, if you participate in any activity in which the issuer is giving financial services or offer, or is a sale of the VDA, that means under this I think the airdrop also comes. The sale of the VDA, that means the cryptocurrency and NFT, both comes under this. So if you are doing anything of this, that is also prohibited. Now according to this post, by reading it for the first time, the people was under the misconception. The rumor was spread that all these 5 points are totally illegal, which is not the case. The things are not mentioned in this is this everything when it is coming under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. What Money Laundering Act says, it is a transfer of money actually. So does the transfer of money is banned in India? Not at all. If it is a legal, if it is a taxpayer, it is not at all a ban in India. So here one thing is missing by the poster is, and these all activities are illegal if the proper KYC verification is not done. Let us come to the point number 1 again, the exchange between the fiat and VDA, that is the NFT and crypto. So this, we buy and sell the VDA is legal if you are doing on the place where the KYC is properly verified. And nowadays each and every exchange verifies the KYC. Without that you will not able to even trade your currencies there. Number 2, the exchange between the VDA. That means I am talking about the future trade where the different pairs are used. Okay. So this exchange, of course, we do only on the exchanges, and in that case the KYC is already given, so it is not illegal at all. The transfer of virtual digital assets, VDA. Transfer means exchange to exchange, or exchange to wallet, or wallet to exchange, or wallet to wallet. Now in this case, whenever exchange is there in between, the KYC is already done, so it is no question of illegalities. But when it is the wallet to wallet, if the trust wallet to trust wallet, then there is a problem. Because trust wallet don't need any kind of KYC. We don't need any KYC for opening, downloading, or using the trust wallet. So in that case, the Indian government may say that this is an illegal activity. But Money Laundering, Prevention of Money Laundering Act is not released just now. It is an old law, and though this law was there, the money laundering was happening, the Hawala racket was going on, everything was going on, because there is no as such a proper way to prevent it. So if you are transferring from the I can say that Exodus or the Trust or the MetaMask to some other wallets, nobody in the world can stop this, or can monitor this, or can prevent this. So if you are loyal to your government, if you are a good person, then declare these wallets also in your taxation and pay the taxes on that. Okay. Then the safekeeping administration. Now here also custodian wallets are there, exchange wallet, KYC is already done, so you can safely keep your money there. In case of the other wallets and hardware wallets, you can just declare it to government and make it a legalized. The participation and provision means either participating in the buy sell or the some offers or some that kind of transactions in the cryptocurrency, or you yourself start some offers or products or companies or something like that. In that case also your identity is completely registered with the government of India, and with whom you are dealing, if that KYC is completely verified, then there is absolutely no problem. So according to me, this is the excellent move by the government of India to regularize the cryptocurrency in India. You know that the G20 summit is going on, and many countries along with India or with India combinedly making the efforts to regulate the cryptocurrency, so that these exchanges or many bot companies, investment companies cannot make the fraud. This is the very good step. So even the exchanges cannot do any fraud. Initially, when this was not done, and if I want to launch a complaint against some cryptocurrency exchange, the problem was I had to mention and which law has been violated. And initially cryptocurrency was under no law, but now it is under the PMLA, and hence I can now take a legal action against such companies, even the exchanges. So according to me, this is a very good step, and I will show you that just after 1 day of releasing this law, my Binance, I was trying to transfer the $1,600 USDT to by Binance Pay, and my account was blocked and asked for the high level of KYC. Let us see. I will show you some pictures, screenshots I have some taken. I will show you those screenshots. Now this was the first screenshot when I tried to transfer the amount. The first screenshot came that you have to do the advanced verification. You know, generally all of our account, you can see here, my account is in review now. All of us, whenever the verification levels, as far as verification levels are concerned, whenever we open a Binance account, we have to verify the account. For that, we do the we give the personal information, government issue like a Aadhaar card, and a facial recognition. But this is the verified account. But now they want a verified plus account. For that, they are asking the proof of address. Actually, on our Aadhaar card, proof of address is already given, but it is not sufficient for them. What they asked is different documents they are given. The list of documents were given, and amongst those documents, the one document I was supposed to upload. So here I uploaded my bank statement of the past 3 months, and after that, from my spot wallet, when I try to transfer the amount, it immediately gave me a signal that the withdrawal function temporarily suspended. And after that, I had to make a video and appeal them by date, amount, coins, confirmation and statement, everything. And after that only they will resume my account. So you can definitely see here that the drastic actions are started being taken by different exchanges and by the different sites, I can say. Let us see what the different websites or different people talk about this amendment. Okay, let us go to my browser. First of all, we'll see the website Business Standard. The headline news was given. The center brings crypto assets under PMLA. Wrongdoing can be probed by ED. Now, the people and the companies who will do the wrong things will now be probed by the ED. What they say further, here you will get the explanation, clear explanation, okay? And people in hurry, because we Indians are always in hurry for giving some breaking news or spreading some rumors. We don't take any proper information, we don't read anything, and just we go on spreading the rumors, okay? What they say, the move will give authorities greater power to monitor the transfer of VDA beyond a country's border. Since the VDA now has put under this law, our authorities will get the power. After that, under the anti-money laundering law, the reporting entities are required to maintain the KYC details. Now, in this reporting entities means all your exchanges, suppose your buy-sell, cryptocurrency buy-sell sites are there, or some bot sites are there, some investment companies are there. KYC is must for all of them. Now, this is another website called as Business Line, and here we will see what Ashish Singhal, who is a co-founder of CoinSwitch, in his tweet he says, the notification to bring VDA transaction under PMLA is a positive step in recognizing the sector. This will strengthen our collective efforts to prevent the VDAs from being misused by bad sector. All the entities in the cryptocurrency, the traders, users, everybody was trying or convincing the government some law, some regulation should be put on, and by the collective efforts, now at last the government has started taking the steps. And the founder of WazirX, Nishal Shetty, says that it is a good step towards regulating the crypto industry in India. This is also ensure all crypto business must perform necessary KYC, transaction monitoring, etc. So there are so many newspapers or the so many sites where all these things are mentioned. Now, Finance Ministry moved to regulate the crypto under PMLA, receives the industry supports. So everybody is welcoming this because of some wrongly posted post. So people, common man is under impression that cryptocurrency is banned in India. So please do these things, that be very, very responsible and sensible for not spreading such kind of rumors, okay? So in this way, we have seen how the government of India has put one step ahead towards the regulating the cryptocurrency and or I can say virtual digital assets in India. This is a very good thing. I welcome this step of Indian government and hope as soon as possible the full regulatory body will be formed and a complete different VDA law will be formed, and lot of people from India will enter into the crypto industry. So thank you again for watching my video and subscribing to this channel and like my video. Thank you very much, and I will meet you in my next video regarding cryptocurrency. Have a nice time and goodbye.